Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. We've explored the flavors and textures that make cauliflower shawarma so satisfying. But there's more to discover in preparation techniques and serving ideas. Plant-based eating is more popular than ever, and for good reason. People are discovering how delicious and versatile vegetables can be. Cauliflower is a standout, transforming into countless satisfying dishes. One exciting way to enjoy cauliflower is as a flavorful alternative to traditional shawarma. Cauliflower shawarma offers all the comfort and spice you crave, but in a vegetarian form. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a classic without meat. The allure of shawarma spices, a culinary journey. The magic of shawarma, whether traditional or plant-based, truly comes alive through its unique spice blend. These warming spices are what give cauliflower shawarma its authentic, deep flavor and inviting aroma. Let's explore the essential components that make this dish so irresistible. Essential shawarma spices and their roles. Each spice in a shawarma blend plays a special part, working together to create a complex and inviting taste. These spices are common in Middle Eastern dishes, adding their distinct character to meals. Here are the key spices you'll find and what they bring to your dish. Cumin. This earthy, warm spice provides the foundational taste of many Middle Eastern foods. It has a slightly bitter, nutty flavor and a strong aroma. Coriander. Both bright and citrusy, coriander seeds add a hint of sweetness. They balance richer flavors and contribute to the overall freshness of the blend. Turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color, turmeric offers a mild, peppery flavor and a hint of bitterness. It gives shawarma its signature golden hue. Paprika, sweet and smoked. Sweet paprika adds a mild, fruity sweetness and a gentle warmth. Smoked paprika brings a deep, smoky undertone, mimicking the char of roasted meat. Cinnamon. This sweet and woody spice provides a comforting warmth and aromatic depth. Just a touch of cinnamon makes the spice blend more complex and intriguing. Cardamom. With its intense, aromatic flavor, cardamom is both sweet and savory, offering notes of citrus and eucalyptus. It adds an exotic, perfumed quality. Cloves. Strong and pungent, cloves contribute a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter taste. A small amount elevates the entire blend, adding a rich, spicy depth. Crafting the perfect shawarma spice blend at home. Making your own shawarma spice blend gives you full control over the flavor. It is a simple process, and the results are often better than pre-made mixes. You can adjust the intensity to fit your own taste. Follow these steps to create your custom blend. Gather whole spices. Start with whole cumin, coriander, and cardamom pods if possible. Whole spices retain more of their essential oils, giving a fresher, stronger flavor. Roast for flavor. Lightly toast your whole spices in a dry pan over medium heat for a few minutes. Stir them constantly until they become fragrant. This step awakens their flavors and aromas. Grind for freshness. Once cooled, grind the toasted spices using a spice grinder or a mortar and pestle. Mix them with your ground turmeric, paprika, cinnamon, and cloves. Adjust to taste. Taste your blend. Do you prefer more warmth? Add a little more cinnamon or cloves. Want more zest? Increase the coriander. Make small adjustments until it is just right for you. Store your homemade blend in an airtight container to keep it fresh. Preparing your cauliflower for shawarma. Creating delicious cauliflower shawarma starts not just with the right spices, but with how you prepare the vegetable itself. The goal is to maximize the surface area for flavor while ensuring the cauliflower cooks evenly to a tender, yet satisfying texture. Getting this step right lays the groundwork for a truly great dish. Choosing and preparing your cauliflower. Selecting a fresh cauliflower head is key. Look for one that is firm, dense, and white or creamy white without any significant dark spots or blemishes. The florets should be tightly packed. Avoid any cauliflower that looks soft, yellowed, or has spreading florets, as these indicate it is past its prime. Once you have your ideal head, how you cut it can significantly impact both its flavor absorption and cooking process. You have a few excellent options for cutting. Florets. This is perhaps the most common approach. Cut the cauliflower into bite-sized florets, aiming for pieces that are roughly uniform in size. This ensures even cooking and plenty of nooks and crannies for the marinade to cling to. Cauliflower steaks. For a heartier presentation, you can slice the cauliflower into thick, half-inch steaks through the core. This method gives you larger pieces that hold their shape well, offering a different textural experience. Thinly sliced. If you are aiming for a texture closer to traditional shaved doner meat, you can thinly slice the cauliflower. This works best with a mandolin slicer for consistent, paper-thin pieces that become incredibly crispy when cooked. No matter your choice, wash and thoroughly dry the cauliflower before moving on. Excess moisture can prevent browning and dilute your marinade. Marinating for maximum flavor infusion. The marinade is where the magic happens, transforming plain cauliflower into a flavor powerhouse. This step is essential for infusing every piece with the aromatic notes of shawarma. A good marinade should coat the cauliflower completely, allowing the spices to penetrate and flavor the vegetable from the inside out. Your marinade should contain oil. A neutral oil like olive oil helps dissolve the fat-soluble compounds in the spices and carries those flavors deep into the cauliflower. It also helps with browning during cooking. Lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice adds a bright, tangy counterpoint to the rich spices. Its acidity also helps tenderize the cauliflower slightly. Garlic. Finely minced fresh garlic provides a pungent, aromatic base that is fundamental to shawarma flavor. Prepared shawarma spice blend. This is the star of the show. Whether you use a homemade blend or a quality store-bought one, liberally coat your cauliflower pieces. Combine your prepared cauliflower with the oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a generous amount of your shawarma spice blend in a large bowl. Toss everything together until every floret or slice is evenly coated. For the best results, let the cauliflower marinate for at least 30 minutes at room temperature or, even better, 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. For really deep flavor, you can marinate it overnight. The longer it sits, the more flavor it absorbs. Roasting, sautéing, or air frying, cooking methods for crispy edges. Once marinated, it is time to cook your cauliflower. The goal here is to achieve a tender interior while developing crispy, caramelized edges that mimic the texture of roasted meat. Each cooking method offers distinct advantages depending on your preference and available equipment. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.